I've been on YouTube for 4 years now, educating you on how to grow your YouTube channel, how you can make money using the YouTube platform. But there is other ways that you can make money. In fact, you don't even have to be monetized on YouTube to make money. I use affiliate marketing. But today I'm going to step you through, as closely as I can, a general overview on how much I've made in 4 years from affiliate marketing. Now, these videos take forever to edit. So if you like these type of videos and you want to see more of these, please remember to smash that like button. It really does help me in the YouTube algorithm. This here is my website. This is a project that I've had knocking around for many years. In fact, I've had the domain for, I don't know, over a decade. But it's only recently that it's become a cash cow, a landing spot for my own affiliate marketing. Before that, I was using links in YouTube videos. So let's hop to my YouTube channel and I'll show you what I do to get affiliate marketing income. Here are my normal videos. And as we go into one of my videos, you'll scroll down and at the bottom of my description of my videos, you'll see here the start of many, many links. Now, the very first thing that I would always highlight is at any point you are doing affiliate marketing, make sure that your audience knows. So at the bottom of my description of all of my videos, since the instant I arrived, there's been this disclaimer. Some of my links will be affiliate marketing links. These links will not affect the price of products or services referred to, but may offer commission that will be used to help me fund the free YouTube video tutorials on this channel. Thank you for your support. The reason for this is that I need to declare that these are affiliate links. In some cases it's for law, in some cases it's for YouTube terms of service. Generally, this kind of sentence will help cover your back. Feel free to copy and paste that into any of your videos. And scrolling up now, we'll see the range of links that I have here. It's always best to match your affiliate links up to what your audience would expect from you. So I've got here some cool graphics. You know, these are little pop-ups that say like and subscribe and share. This is an affiliate arrangement I've got with the Underdog people, in which you buy the little overlay thingies and I get a kickback because these are themed in my colors. But you can also buy their mega pack or their video editing or anything you wish, really. The way this works is I send you over there, I get a small slice, they do a lot of the legwork, you lean on the trust that I'm gonna obviously pick a good quality product, and then a lot of the legwork's done for me by them. Next one, there's a link to my own website. There was a thumbnail pack that I used to do, which I will be repurposing at some point. I may even give away for free if that's something that you like. If you like the idea of that, smash the like button, because these videos take forever to edit, so please do smash up that like button to help the YouTube algorithm to push this out to as many people as possibly can. Free YouTube tricks and tips. It's a PDF that I made 3 years ago. The way this works is that you get a free PDF and I would get your email address, in which then I can either keep you part of a mailing list, or in the long run, maybe I can use that information to help pull you into training courses or just communicate with you outside the YouTube platform. Try Adobe for free. Once again, you can try out the Adobe Premiere Pro editing suites and that kind of thing. Cheap quality hosting, B-roll, vidIQ, a fantastic app that I use all the time for optimizing my YouTube videos. In fact, since I switched to vidIQ, I've tripled the size of my channel by increasing my click-through rate and dominating in search. I highly suggest you check that one out. A link in that description, the description down below, right, in which you can get a 20% discount. See, that's how affiliate marketing works. I link you to something that I feel that would seriously, honestly help you. I point out the link below. I get a referral bonus when you go over there and buy it. And then there's other things in there from like Place It, where it can help you create YouTube intros and outros. A free audiobook from Audible, in which I tend to like to listen and learn something new each and every week, each and every month, each and every year. So why not binge on audiobooks? Because I don't have time to read, but I do have time to listen when walking places. And subtitles. You know, just in case I want to push this video out in Spanish or Hindi, I can have actual subtitles here that is relevant to you and your audience. In your native tongue, so therefore you can read along whilst I blabber along. Yeah, Alan, we get it. You've got links in your description and you go off. Show us the numbers, fat boy. Okay, now this is me being as transparent and as honest as I can be. Okay, now there will be some things that obviously I can't mention, but overall, this is generally how much I've made from affiliate marketing in the last 3-4 years. So starting off with one of my all-time favorites, this is Rev. This is the subtitle people. Every time I convert They tell me they'll pay me out $100 for every conversion, and you'll see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 qualified leads, and hopefully one here as well that's to be reviewed. The way they work is that I refer someone, you pay them for a service, not just a sign-up bonus, and then I'll get a small slice of that. So I'll start totaling it up in the bottom left-hand corner, 700. Now, before I moved to the blue brand, I used to look after the buddies of Tube, that was the red brand, and since I've been around with them since 2018, you can see here that's $5,800. The way this works is I refer someone, they sign up, they get to use the tool, and then because I've referred 5 or 10 people, I'll get a free upgrade, I can show more features, and so on and so forth. This brand supported me pretty much from the start of my channel, and over time I make around about $100 to $200 per month from them. Whilst Rev is slightly more sporadic, it's when you convert. Impact. Now this is a dashboard where I can collate a few affiliate marketing people, that anyone that uses the Impact platform. However, I've only had one company, and that happens to be a company called Placeit that does the intro and outros and the graphic banners and stuff like that. And since I started using them, I've gained around about 1,000 clicks and payments for around about 1,200 quid. 1,200 pounds, so I'll try and convert it to American dollars in the little doobie-doob on the bottom left-hand corner as we're running tally. It's only fair. Now, as part of my website, I use adverts. Now, I know this isn't technically affiliate marketing. This is adverts against my blog website, but I'm going to throw this in anyway because this is earnings outside the YouTube balance sheet. I use a company called Ezoic for this, and what they do is I create blog posts and I have a website. They place adverts anywhere in the site. They give me a better CPM than Google AdSense does, and in this case, in just the year that it's been around on my website, I've made around about 900 bucks, 932. Now, one of the most common ones that's been around that anyone can sign up for is Amazon Associates. To be honest, this is one of my worst performing ones over the time. Why? Because, yeah, you may go to Amazon, but it doesn't really do much for me, and the percentages are horrifically low now compared to what they used to be. Now, my UK account has been around for a little bit longer. You can see a few more payments here, but you're not really looking at much. Like, you have to hit a minimum balance for them to pay out. And look, $30 quid there, 30 quid there, 30 quid there, and I'm due another one. So that's say £100 within the last 3-4 years. Now, I do have other affiliate-based income, mainly stuff that people go to my website and they'll purchase, say, my coaching, directly coaching with me, one-on-one. I count that as an affiliate because it's an affiliate to my own programs. But overall, and I'm going to add the real figure down here, and I'm going to guesstimate it because I'm not going to look at it whilst doing this video recording, you're looking at around about $8,000-9,000-ish. Tell me how wildly off I am. And that's over the last 4 years. But you'll notice that it did accelerate, right? And now on average, I make around about anywhere between $500 and $700 per month in affiliate income, which over time I hope to stack up and build up and hopefully reinvest into this channel and into my blog to make more, to educate you, and in the long run, show you transparently how this works. Now, I've done a really deep dive blog post on how affiliate marketing works. It's in the description down below, but I can also show you how to make money on YouTube without YouTube ads. The video will be here. And if you like this kind of video, you can check out how much money I've earned on my YouTube channel in the entirety of its life, and per month I'm gonna have a playlist of those type of videos here.